The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, power door locks, MP3 player, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.